Yeah, we got to go in there and snake this drain.
Yep, I got 2 snakes with me.
All right, let's see. What 2 snakes are we using today?
Baby snake and a mommy snake, it looks like.
Looks like we got 2 of our typical gardener snakes. We used to call them racers because these guys are fast and the stripe on the back. That's really cool. All right, you guys, you got to leave. Got to get rid of your worm. I'm sorry. We got to apologize. Come on. Go this way. Come on.
Get some tongue action.
All right, I'm going to have to pick you up. Come on. There you go. You go away. And then you go in the garden too. Have a good time. Bye. Okay, so we got our clean out here. Backing up by the low point right here. It's the lowest point in the house. Typically you'll get clogs in here. Too small to sneak from. And it's probably heading out angled here somewhere. See if there's possibly even a clean out near the foundation. Ooh, we got a pit. Right here. Okay, found the other clean out. The pit, which is closer to here. Water on the floor, but his vibe not stressed. Kick drum hit spinning like a cardiac test down here. We don't sleep, we flex. Every beat a threat, every pipe got depth. Cruising slow, can't escape the flush sound. Heart rate jump with the bass inbound. Brown step in the zone, can't turn back now. Say it with me, say it loud. Boom boom, welcome to the doo-doo town, where the bass line thump and the poop goes down. Doo-doo, rolling with that underground pipe sound. Heavy in the truck, shake the whole block down. Boom boom, feel it in the floor right now. 6 and 3's knocking like a hydrojet sound. Doo-doo, this beat too mean, too loud. All right, another successful mission. So this house had a whole bunch of roots in it from a crabapple tree, and we were able to successfully grind them all out of there. Unfortunately, there is a slight sag in there, and there's nothing we can do to fix with that, so we're going to have the owners probably fill the tub once a week, just drain it to purge the whole system out, push any of the soft, solid blocks out into the street. And I'm going to discuss with them to find out what kind of toilet paper, if they're using to switch to single ply, and if they're using 2-ply or something like that to get rid of it, because there's just ball up and get caught up in that slope spots that are out there. All right, so another one done. We keep New Hampshire flowing. This is Dottie. She's one of our customers who gave us a call to take care of her sewer, and she wants to tell us how good of a job we did for her.
Hey, these guys are super. They were here on time, and they went right to work, and we're very, very pleased with the results, and thanks for cleaning us out, guys.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
And there's a picture of you on the sign.
Yep, got a picture on both signs. That one there is my younger me. I was skinnier there. And then the other one, they finally got the beard into it. Kind of looks like Matt too. So it's kind of a win-win on both. Yeah, except on that one, I think they should have added like 50 pounds so it looks more like me. I think they would be nice. But we keep New Hampshire flowing. Yep, have a wonderful day.
Nice talking to you.
Oh yes, if you're using 2-ply, go to single-ply toilet paper. I'm glad you caught me on that one. I almost forgot. No wipes. Absolutely no wipes. Alrighty? Yeah, you can put them in the wastebasket all you want, but I would definitely suggest to get off the 2-ply toilet paper and go to 1. Alrighty? Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Welcome to the place where the clocks don't go down. We taking a ride down to doo-doo town. Let's go. Boom boom. Welcome to doo-doo town, where the baseline thump and the poop.
Matt, where are we at?
Oh, we're over at Jericho Deli off of Jericho Road over in Berlin, New Hampshire.
Yes, a fine establishment to get sandwiches in.
One of my favorite stops on the way out to Grovetown. Something quick and you want, something good. They usually got some good specials, so you can get your run-of-the-mill everyday items, but they always keep something. Last thing I had was a meatloaf sandwich, meatloaf melt.
Oh, that's different.
Fantastic. I've never been disappointed, never had any problems here, so.
All right, excellent.
I like him, he runs the kitchen.
I like it with something different. Let's go in and have some lunch. What you got there?
That is a Jericho Mac smash burger.
Yeah, pretty cool. That's different.
And dirty like a runaway poop slide. Ain't no rules when the speakers complain. We just ride that poop wave insane. Boom, boom.